Did you know you can assign the four corners of your Mac desktop to run functions? In this video, we're going to explore just that. Let's begin. To access hot corners, head to System Settings by tapping the Apple logo in the top left corner, and then scroll down and navigate to Desktop and Dock. From here, you'll see Hot Corners at the bottom, where you can select what you want each of the four corners of your Mac screen to do when you move your cursor into them. For example, you could have the top left corner sending your display to sleep, the top right corner showing Notification Center, the bottom left to put your Mac to display the lock screen, and the bottom right launching Mission Control. Once done, tap on Done. There you have it. Access all the four corners to experience your new shortcuts. Having mastered the technique of changing the hot corners of your Mac, why not elevate your tech skills? Subscribe to Guiding Tech and delve into one of our specially curated videos just for you.